Okay, we're approaching the Columbia Supercharger. It's very hard to see, so if you're looking at your map, it's pretty much the only way you can find it. But it's right here at the Hilton Garden Inn, off of Farrell Road. A lot of people like to go left. I like to go right, because it makes it easier to do the reverse and park. Terrible parking place, guy. Alright. You'll see that they've got 8 stalls. My favorite is number 1B. Why? I don't know. It just is. 1A used to be, but then a friend of mine curbed a Model X on the curb, and that day I pretty much stopped parking in 1A unless everything else is full. Let's see what we're working with here. We are currently getting 58 kilowatts, 68 going up. These miles an hour are very dependent on your vehicle. Close this door for the wind. This is based on your exact car. So in my case, this is based on a P100D. And so it's very useless to try and compare these numbers across cars. So if a Model 3 owner comes up to me and says, oh, we're getting 500 miles an hour, it might be the same as my 343 because of my consumption. So what you want to compare when you're comparing charging across cars is how many kilowatts you're getting. And this should be a 120 kilowatt station according to the map. So getting 118 is not bad. Oops. All right, so you see here the superchargers are labeled 1B, 2A, 2B. So what you want to do is not share a number with anybody else, because if you share a number, then you're sharing a supercharger cabinet, and it's only got a limited amount of equipment to convert the charge. So when you convert that charge, you have to share it with whoever is sharing a number with you. So if somebody were to pull up and see me here, if they pulled in 1A, that would be pretty foolhardy. It would slow us both down. So they'd want to park at 2A or 3 or so on. Okay, so when at the supercharger from Columbia, I like to go again off to the right because it's the quickest way to get into the restroom. I'll show you that now. Sorry about the wind. I need to practice my microphone setup, but haven't done it yet. Alright, then I like to come up here. It's a nice little trash can so you can put all your stuff away before you enter the hotel so you don't look like a bum. Not that there's anything wrong with being a bum if that's what you like. I just don't like to arrive at a place with arms full of garbage, so. Alright, so you come in the door, and usually this chair is off to the right, so you can't go right. Wait for the door to unlock. If it's not, I like to go that way. Come in. Then off to the left you'll find the restrooms. Like so. Alright, catch you on the flip side. Okay, when leaving the restroom, instead of going out the front door and walking all the way around again, I like to go past the welcome desk, hang a right, and go straight out the door. You can get out this door, but you can't get back in unless you're a guest. That beautiful dirty car.